Hello, everybody. This is Keroy, author of Wisdom Nuggets for the Soul. Live like a king without going broke. Yes, that is a financial book of financial literacy if you want to learn to save and all that good stuff. And my poems, Divine Soul Whispers. Actually, I'm in the process of creating Divine Soul Whispers Volume 2 because I write every day, and sometimes I write good things, not so good things. So I've kind of dedicated myself at least once a year. I compile all the good poems, all the good quotes that came out of my daily journaling and compile them. So that will be Divine Soul Whispers Volume 2. But I'm sure it will be ready next year, early next year. Yes, because I think right now I'm halfway done. Yeah, and for those of you who are really interested in learning on how to write your book, I do have a mentor, I do have a talk to me session for 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on what you need. I can help you draw up a structure, brainstorm your idea, then I'll let you go on and write. And I'll share how I write my books. Because for me, I don't do it the traditional way. I've got my own system and it kind of works for me. So I'll share that. Actually, I think I have a video where I share all that. Hmm. I'll post that video soon. Okay. So today I'm reading for you on page 28 this quote. Inspiration is a moment in time where an idea is pregnant with all the nourishment it needs to bring it into physical reality. Let's think on that. Inspiration, moment in time where your idea, for those of you who get ideas, right? Where your idea is pregnant with all the nourishment. I have a story about all these quotes. I remember very well, it was 2007, around September, I think. That's when I got this aha moment where I realized there is, in all things, they are a version and expression of God Himself, dead or living. It's God expressing Himself in all varieties. And from that time, I stopped judging things because I figured they are all aspects of God, the good, bad, and ugly. That was my own personal revelation. Actually, I need to write a book about the revelations I keep getting, right? So, it was a 3 day download where I wrote almost 200 quotations. Everything I looked at was speaking to me. Everything I tell you. The chair, the computer, the cars, the people. I was in such a high bliss. That's when the quotes started coming because they were like little rhymes crossing my mind. Then I compiled them, and ever since then, I still get quotes, a few a week, but not that gigantic download that I got in this moment. I remember asking myself, Lord, what am I going to do with all these words that keep flowing through me? They sound like rhymes, they are one sentence things. What am I going to do with them? And as the years have gone by, they've started unveiling themselves. All these quotes are like gifts. They come packed in like a gift box, and it's up to me and you to start finding the depth within that gift, because the deeper you go, the higher your conscious goes, the more you'll find the nuggets in that wisdom. So, for example, this one, I've come to realize that every time you get an inspiration, like aha moment, it comes loaded with a favor, resources, and all kinds of necessary things to help it come to fruition. But you have to be sensitive to that timing, because sometimes the inspiration comes and your job is just to hold it and keep it to yourself. Or sometimes it comes and it pushes you to act right away. That is what I call the inspired action. It's like a fire that is lit in your belly with these ideas, and you're just ready to go because this inspiration came loaded with everything it needs to make sure it comes through reality. The problem comes when you get that inspiration, then you don't trust yourself and you start doubting everything. That grace and favor starts wearing away. But if you jump onto the inspired action and work at it right away, what happens is by the time that drive starts wearing off, you've completed all the hard work. A job that will take you, for example, for me, since I write, when I get that inspiration, I can compile a book in like 2 days. So by the time the favor and that grace runs out, all you're remaining with is the mundane work, reading through, editing, proper alignments, and the formulating of the book and taking care of the spelling error, just little things that are just normal mundane that you don't need extra inspiration to get them done, you see. But the real juice, the real heavy lifting is done during that time when the inspiration hits you. So what page was it? Page 70? Oh, I don't remember. But anyway, as you've seen, inspiration comes loaded. So take advantage of it, of those moments when you get inspired. As always, it's Keroy King, author of Divine Soul Whispers and many other books. Send me a message if you need to order one. Talk to you soon. Bye.